Under the Renting Homes Wales Act, you now have a legal obligation to install hard-wired-in fire and smoke alarms into the property. But there is a grace period built into the legislation that allows you to complete the work by the 1st of December 2023, where your current tenant remains in the property. Should that tenant leave and a new tenant come in, then you will be required to do the work before the new contract can start. So you may wish to consider doing the work sooner rather than later to reduce the amount of time between one tenant leaving and a potential new one coming in.